Boys, what's up? Good morning. Just woke up a little while ago, actually to a text from my mom. Today might be a little interesting. Apparently, she's been watching the videos, and so has some of my family, and they are worried, and she is coming to visit after work. So, great, awesome, that's gonna be fun. Let's get the day started, boys, and I'll catch up with you probably like for lunch or somewhere. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Good afternoon. Just got my food. Actually, shout out the hookup. One of you guys hit me up last night being like, yo, I work at a Pizza Hut in your city, and we could deliver it. Oh, God. I guarantee that's my mom, bro. That's my mom. Oh, shit. Sorry, that was my mom saying she's coming now and she's off work. Anyway, shout out Pizza Hut. Somebody said that they could deliver it to my car whenever I want it. So we got some pizza for lunch. Doing great, man. I had freaking sushi yesterday. It's a freaking treat eating in my car because when I'm at home, I feel like I have no excuse not to cook dinner. So I never really eat out. Now I'm eating out always. The pizza, we got freaking chicken wings. We got some breadsticks here. I haven't really been up too much today. I've been chilling in the car watching Netflix. If you guys are new to the whole situation of what's going on, you haven't seen the past 2 videos, go check them out. But long story short, I'm living in my car because I want something to do. I'm camping in my car, seeing how long I can do it for. As I just said, my mom's coming. I don't know if she's pleased. She doesn't sound too pleased. She sounds worried, so she's always worried about me, man. So she's probably gonna like want to drag me out this car or something. But let's freak her out. Let's show her the living situation. So I'm talking about me. I haven't eaten yet for like 12 hours. I also told her though, I was like, Mom, if you're actually gonna come visit me and I'm sharing the location, you gotta bring like your jewelry collection so we can have at least some sort of title in the video. She does have some nice ICEBOX pieces, so you guys might like that. Let's just wait for her to come out and finish up my pizza. Oh, this is stuffed crust. Oh, this is great. Holy hell, boy, she just boxed me in. She does not look pleased. Why are you about to box me in if you want me to leave, though? Oh, God, here we go. Here we go. She's getting out. Don't open the door. It's COVID, man.
Brandon.
Yo.
Really?
Hi.
There's a pandemic going on.
Yeah, that's why I'm leaving my car, man. It's driving me nuts.
Nana has been trying to contact you. Is this your solution for a pandemic?
Honestly, most of the time that's dead or I'm on.
Do I smell pizza?
Yeah, it's on that.
Why is there pizza on the seat?
Subscribe. Do you want a piece? Subscriber hit me up and said that they could deliver to the car.
To the car.
Yeah. Do you want chicken? Well, that's the whole point. I'm trying to just live out here. Do you want a piece?
It smells. No, I don't want a piece of pizza.
Ma, it's chill. I was trying to collect. Are you gonna let me talk, Ma?
Seriously?
No, I was trying to collect.
It's a pandemic.
Ma, I know, and that's why I'm in my car. Yeah, I was trying to collect a rabbit. You can actually just put that outside. That's rabbit food now.
Brandon, I am trying to get you out of the car and back into your house. Did your girlfriend know where you are? Did you? She was calling, by the way. Okay, Nana's been calling. I've been worried sick.
1 second.
And an egg cooker? Like, what the hell is an egg cooker doing in here? Are you cooking eggs?
I have a battery. Yeah, a little bit.
Eggs.
Well, I was until I started getting freaking Uber Eats.
So you're self-contained in here.
I told you that you could come. Just 1 sec. 1 sec. Please. One sec. I thought that, like, I literally just told you to come because I thought this would be like maybe good content. You're yelling a lot. Can you just come in and talk? Here, just give me a sec. Can you grab that? I'll come say hi to you outside the car.
What am I supposed to do with this?
Well, calm me down a little bit, Mom.
Let me get my tape measure.
You have a tape measure?
Yes, because I need to know that it's 6 feet.
Okay, go grab your tape measure.
Okay, well, can you hold this, please? I don't know what to do with this thing.
Want a beer?
I am not drinking a beer. This is not a celebratory situation, actually, because I kind of thought you might be dead.
You're stressing me out, man. You sure? It's a White Claw.
I don't. What does that mean?
It's like just doesn't matter. Sorry, boys. This is not as funny as I might have thought it would be. But don't worry about me. I also I'm vlogging right now. Obviously, I told you that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll also sit up just a bit because we got to keep a little bit of a distance.
I always worry about you, Brandon.
Don't look at this freaking view, man. I tried to go ice fishing there the other day. It was great.
Brandon, I worry that you're gonna walk into the river.
I did. My foot fell in.
What?
I'm living real nice. I never get pizza.
You're cooking eggs in your car.
I was until I started ordering Uber Eats. Oh, I found an address up there that I can deliver it to.
How did they find this place? It's like in the middle of nowhere.
They don't. There's an address that I got up there. So should I like show your jewelry collection now, or?
How about we go for a walk, Brandon, and
I'll show you the area. It's freaking beautiful, man.
Okay.
Yeah. I gotta vlog it though.
Okay.
Actually, you gotta vlog. Hold that.
Okay.
I just sanitized my hands with PG.
Okay. Sounds good.
Come this way. This is actually a part I haven't showed the boys yet, boys. You ask what I do during the day. I go into here, I find some cool. You sure you don't want one of these? Is that on?
Yeah, it's on.
We're scouting out this deer trail. I see actually 3 deer right there.
What?
Let's go. Woo!
Where?
Don't yell when you see deer. Yeah?
No.
It's just one thing. People are like, oh, you look Sasquatch, da 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 da. Even though I don't know much, I am kind of out here sometimes just looking at nature in a way that most people will look at it. You feel what I'm saying? I feel like you're smiling and you're like, still under a mask.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
It's just you have to look at what could be natural and what might not be. This right here, interlocking with that tree, look at where it interlocks.
Right.
It's weird.
Not really.
Is it the Sasquatch?
No.
Probably not, but who knows?
Well,
there's more stuff over here actually. Check her out, boys. This is why I'm bringing you out here, Ma.
Brandon.
This one right here, if I'm correct, that's Jonathan.
Brandon.
Little Johnny.
Brandon.
What's up, big guy? What?
Get the carrot.
I'm not getting the carrot. You get the carrot.
Right. What are you, big
I'm not getting near that thing.
Come on, get the carrot.
I'm not getting near that
Brandon.
thing. And there she goes. She grabbed the carrot.
Get the carrot.
I'm not grabbing the carrot.
Yes, it's going to be good for the video. Come on.
Can you catch it? Oh, shit. There's another one, man. I'm out, dude. I'm out. All right, Ma. So, first off, what are you doing? You all right? You comfortable?
I'm looking for a blanket because I'm freezing.
There's one in the trunk there.
Brandon.
What?
Is this a bong? Is there a bong back here? What do you need a bong in the woods for?
I mean, if I'm living in the car, I'm gonna hotbox the thing every night. Just leave the freaking thing, don't spill it. As you guys can see right there.
High wrapped in this thing.
No, that's not how that works. Grab your blanket. Let's do your jewelry thing. What's going on here? All right, let's skip to the ICEBOX stuff.
Ice?
Yeah, the ones that I gave you in the blue thing.
Oh, yeah, these are amazing.
That's the one.
I love these. These are amazing.
I actually bought that, as you guys know, for myself, and then everyone's like, hey, man, that's a women's ring. It fits you real nice.
It does.
Got the diamonds. Looks good, man.
Well, it makes me look like a real
rapper.
rock star. Rock star? I don't want to be a rapper.
I don't know if rock stars are wearing those. I think they're a little cooler than that. And the next one I gave.
This was a guy's ring is like so hilarious.
Chill, man. Don't laugh, man.
It's like, look at how skinny it is. I can't believe you thought this was a guy's ring.
Alright, jewelry collection over. And I thought that was a guy's necklace. Yeah. Funny.
Hilarious.
Well, you forgot the bracelet that's like 6 freaking centimeters long. Anyway, we got the real gold from ICEBOX. What else? Do you have anything cool in there? I doubt your jewelry that they're gonna get. I'm sure it's cool, but I doubt they really care.
You know.
See, now you're having fun in the car. Imagine doing this alone all day. You got the P-Ron on the screen.
Got the pizza.
The pizza, that's exactly what I said. Yeah.
Got the white crap in the tin. What is that crap again? I forgot to call it.
Are you getting freaking stoned from the blanket? I think you're...
That was great. Okay.
I think what you thought would happen is happening. She's stoned from the blanket, boys. Do you have anything cool in there?
It's the you know what, Brian? I've got a truckload of cool jewelry.
Good God, does it ever look like a mess?
This is my
I need to get you a jewelry box. Things they'll probably care about. I'm not saying it's not dope, but I don't know.
This is a piece of the Berlin Wall, Brandon.
That's hype.
Thank you. These bent stones or bent spoons.
Are they silver spoons?
Yes.
They look silver. That's cool.
I know.
That's cool.
Thank
I like those. Show them. They like the gold stuff, or if you got stuff with diamonds that might be a little manly.
This is a ruby.
Cool.
Surrounded by pearls.
I don't really know what that is, to be honest.
Well,
I don't know anything of what I'm talking about.
It's gorgeous. It's see-through.
It's a beaut. It looks nice.
And it's 100 years old.
Jesus.
So
just sell that thing,
an
man.
antique. This piece is from Egypt. It's solid gold. And inside is a silver mummy.
Cool.
And the
do you think when you like bite the dust I can have that, or?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Well, you can have it all. There you go.
That's it?
That's it.
Alright, Mom's signing off. She spent how many hours here? About 4? 4 hours in the car. Vlogged what I felt like. You didn't even have any pizza. Appreciate you. Thanks for bringing the jewelry. Okay.